So now it is time to really convince the investor that the time for your product or for your service is right now. It should not be 1 year ago, 3 years ago. It should not be 1 year in the future or 3 years in the future. The time for your product or service needs to be right now. And the investor needs to believe that. That's why we come to the sixth slide, which is the why now slide, where you really establish urgency. So you want to make the problem you're trying to solve clear to the investor and also why it's time and there is a necessity to move fast and to move now. This is the most important thing. And there are two reasons why that could be. First reason could be there is a technology breakthrough you have achieved, or there's a policy change. So what you will focus on in this section is really much on the logic on how you want to convince your VC investors based on those 2 points. So what do AI startups need to consider here? Let's take a look at this one here. So whatever relates to your AI technology in regards to the recent changes. So if it was a technology breakthrough, explain how does your AI model, for example, is better than previous models? Or if there hasn't been used AI before, maybe because compute has been becoming so cheap and your model is so good that you can achieve like a likelihood of 99% correct answers, it is right now time for your product and service. And then you can use that and by giving a kind of example sentence, which is illustrated here below. This is the why now slide, and this is what you need to consider when presenting that to your VC investor.